1. The bristles of toothbrush should make a 45-degree angle against the neck of the teeth. Brush with an up and down motion. So we have to brush with 45-degree angle against the teeth. Move along to the canines and then the premolars. Then brush your canines and then brush your premolars. Brush the inner tooth surfaces. Brush the teeth of the upper jaw downwards. Brush the teeth of the lower jaw upwards. So you have to brush all the teeth very carefully. Hold the brush vertically and make short up and down motions using the front half of the toothbrush. So look at this picture. With the front half of the toothbrush we have to brush our teeth, stroking up and down. Scrub the surface of our tongue gently and remove the odor producing germs. We have to clean our tongue gently with brush. Now come to the next page. Massaging the gums after brushing one's teeth helps to improve blood circulation in the area. Floss is a thin silky thread that is used to clean the particles stuck between the teeth. One should visit the dentist regularly for a dental checkup. Calcium is necessary for healthy teeth. The diet should include milk and green vegetables. Eating too many chocolates and sticky sweets should be avoided. These lead to tooth decay. Fizzy cold drinks also cause damage to the teeth. So we have to avoid cold waters or cold drinks. We have to avoid chocolates. We have to avoid sticky sweet food that stuck to our teeth. And we can clean the particles that stuck between the two teeth with a floss. Floss is a silky thread. Okay, so read this very carefully. Student, come to the page number 58. Question number 2 and 3 is your homework for today. Cross question number 1. Let us start. Fill in the blanks. The white and hard substance covering a tooth is called enamel. Untreated plaque becomes solid to form tartar. Dentine is the living tissue just under the tooth enamel. The canine teeth of some animals are known as fangs. The part of the tooth inside the gum is called its root. The visible part of the tooth is called its crown. Write T for true or F for false in the box alongside each statement. A. An adult human being has 32 teeth in each jaw. False. The wisdom teeth are the last ones to grow. True. The milk teeth last till a child is about 6 to 7 years old. True. Herbivores have very strong canine teeth. We know that carnivores have very strong canine teeth. This is false. Massaging the gums is of no use at all. No, it is very useful. So it is false. Okay. Hope you got this topic. Do this homework in your book. See you in the next class. Bye bye, students.